go-to channel for all things home and garden. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into the world of small backyard hardscaping. Many homeowners feel limited by a smaller footprint, but the truth is that a compact space is the perfect canvas for high-impact design. We're going to explore how you can turn those patches of grass or empty dirt into a functional, stylish, and low-maintenance sanctuary. In the world of landscaping, hardscaping refers to the non-living elements of your outdoor space. Think of it as the bones or the architecture of your garden. For a small backyard, hardscaping involves the use of hard materials like stone, brick, concrete, wood, and gravel to create structure. It's about defining zones, such as a dining area, a fire pit lounge, or a walkway, using solid surfaces rather than just plants. In a small space, hardscaping is essential because it provides a clean, organized look that prevents the area from feeling overgrown or cluttered. The benefits of incorporating hardscaping into a small backyard are numerous and practical. First and foremost, it significantly reduces maintenance. You'll spend less time mowing and weeding and more time actually enjoying your yard. Hardscaping also solves drainage issues and creates a level surface for furniture, making the area much more functional for entertaining. Furthermore, well-designed hardscape elements like a stone patio or a built-in bench can actually make a small yard feel larger by creating distinct rooms and clear sightlines. It adds immediate curb appeal and increases the overall value of your property by extending your usable living square footage to the outdoors. To make your hardscaping truly shine, you need to balance the hard materials with soft decorative touches. Start by choosing a color palette that complements your home's exterior. Neutral tones like gray, beige, or slate work wonders in making a space feel airy. Incorporate vertical interest by using tall planters, trellises, or privacy screens to draw the eye upward, which distracts from a limited ground area. Lighting is your best friend here. Use warm LED string lights, path lights, or even spotlights on a focal point like a tree or water feature to create a magical evening ambience. Finally, don't forget the power of textiles. Weather-resistant rugs, colorful throw pillows, and soft outdoor curtains can instantly make a stone patio feel like a cozy living room. When selecting items for a small hardscaped area, prioritize multifunctional and scale-appropriate pieces. Built-in seating, such as stone walls that double as benches, is a huge space saver. For furniture, look for leggy designs. Chairs and tables with slim profiles that allow you to see the floor underneath, which maintains a sense of openness. Small-scale fire features like tabletop fire bowls or slim rectangular gas fire pits add warmth without dominating the space. Large-format pavers are also a secret weapon. Using bigger stones actually makes a small patio look more expansive because there are fewer grout lines to break up the visual field. Lastly, consider a compact water feature like a wall-mounted fountain to add soothing sound and a luxury feel without taking up valuable floor space. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best small backyard hardscaping ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the multi-level modern oasis. This design utilizes vertical space perfectly by using concrete retaining walls to create different levels. The sunken fire pit area provides a cozy, private feel, while the stone steps and gravel-filled tiers add a clean, architectural aesthetic that makes the yard feel like a high-end resort. 2. Geometric pavers and artificial turf. A brilliant way to mix textures. This layout uses large light-colored pavers set within a frame of artificial grass. The contrast between the gray stone and the bright green turf creates a striking geometric pattern that feels modern and organized, perfectly housing a central fire table and a full outdoor bar. 3. The Zen slate patio with lush borders. This idea focuses on using dark slate or bluestone pavers to create a solid, sophisticated dining area. By surrounding the hardscape with deep, layered garden beds and a high wooden privacy fence, the space feels like a secret garden nestled right against the home. 4. Contemporary urban courtyard. Perfect for narrow city lots, this design mixes warm wood decking with smooth concrete pavers. The use of low, manicured hedges as walls and a central pebble-filled planter creates a sense of rhythm and flow, leading the eye from the back door to the very edge of the property. 5. Elegant gravel pathways and circular focus. If you prefer a softer look, use pea gravel outlined with brick edging. This design features a winding gravel path that opens into circular islands for potted plants. It's an affordable and DIY-friendly hardscaping option that adds a touch of English cottage charm to a small backyard. 6. Minimalist lawn and built-in bench. This look is all about less is more. A perfectly rectangular patch of artificial turf is bordered by sleek dark gray planters and a floating wooden corner bench. This design maximizes the open area for kids or pets while providing a stylish, permanent seating solution. 7. Circular stone fire pit lounge. Create a dedicated destination in your yard with a circular paved patio. Using natural stone blocks to build a curved retaining wall that doubles as a backrest for a central fire pit creates an inviting campfire vibe that feels tucked away and intimate. 8. The ultimate stone fireplace retreat. For a more traditional and luxurious feel, a large stone fireplace serves as the ultimate focal point. By paving the entire area with irregular flagstone, you create a sturdy foundation for both a dining set and a lounging area, making the backyard feel like a true extension of the indoors. 9. Crisp white walls and woven textures. In small spaces, white walls reflect light and make everything feel bigger. This hardscape uses white rendered walls to create raised garden beds and a clean backdrop for a simple gray tiled patio. Pair this with woven resin furniture for a breezy Mediterranean atmosphere. 10. Tropical poolside paradise. Even a small yard can fit a plunge pool. This hardscape uses light-colored travertine or coral stone around the water to keep the ground cool. The combination of white columns, a pergola, and striped lounge chairs creates a vibrant, high-contrast look that feels like a permanent vacation. Transforming a small backyard doesn't require a massive amount of space. It just requires a smart plan. By focusing on hardscaping, you create a durable, beautiful, and functional environment that serves your lifestyle. Whether you want a quiet place to read or a stylish spot to host friends, these hardscaping techniques will help you get the most out of every square inch. If you enjoyed these small backyard transformations, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your outdoor renovation projects.